The sea was calm, and the sunset painted the sky with vibrant hues of orange and red. Mia sat on the beach, gazing at the horizon. Ever since she was a little girl, she had been fascinated by mermaids and dreamed of seeing one in person. As night fell over the sea, Mia noticed a strange light flickering in the distance. She walked closer to get a better look. To her amazement, she saw a mermaid emerge from the sea, illuminated by the moonlight. The mermaid caught Mia's gaze and smiled at her before diving back into the sea. Mia's heart swelled. She had witnessed a magical moment she would never forget. Mermaids have captivated human imagination for centuries. Historical accounts of mermaid sightings date as far back as 1000 AD. The most famous mermaid was spotted off the coast of Yang, Israel in 2009. Over a dozen witnesses claimed they saw a mermaid sunbathing on a rock and swimming in the sea. Videos of the sighting went viral, renewing people's interest in the mythical creatures. March 29 was officially declared Mermaid Day to celebrate these fanciful beasts. Mermaids are a symbol of beauty, mystery, and wonder. They represent humanity's collection too, and a deep affection for the sea. Observing Mermaid Day allows us to tap into our sense of fun, adventure, and imagination. On Mermaid Day, people dress up as mermaids by wearing shimmering tails and seashell bras. They host beach gatherings where mermaids can sun themselves while enjoying ocean-themed activities. Events include sandcastle and seashell crafts, ocean conservation education, beach cleanups, and swimming in the sea. Parades are held in some coastal towns while revelers march through the streets wearing extravagant mermaid costumes. Mermaid Day gives us an opportunity to reconnect with our inner child. The sea is a source of life, sustenance, and tranquility for humans. On this whimsical holiday, we honor the mermaids that spark wonder in both little girls and little boys who peer into the depths of the ocean, hoping for a flash or rainbow-colored tale or the melodic sounds of a mermaid's song. Our fascination with these mythical sea creatures reminds us that there is magic to be found all around us, especially in the uncharted waters of Earth's final frontier. The ocean remains largely a mystery, just like the mermaids who inhabit it in our imaginations. March 29 is Mermaid Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful Mermaid Day. Cheers!